Hey, what's up traders? This is Dave. So this is just a quick review of the trade which I predicted on my weekly outlook yesterday, and this is what I was looking for. So it's a gold and I wanted to short it, right? What I was looking for is a short above a 50% of this range, right? So something perfect would be some PD array in here, some level, and at least a 61.8 Fib level, right? So this is what the price did. It basically went up higher above the levels which I will show you in my platform by using my ICT template, and now it's dropping lower and expecting it to drop lower, and maybe some pullbacks, you know, but we will see. All right, so let's go to the platform. Here is my platform. Here you can see a entry, and let me show you here on this range where I have actually entered. You don't see a stop loss in here because I'm using the algo, which is actually protecting my capital when not significant, my percentage of the drawdown is reached, and as well it's same use for the TP, right? But I'm mostly closing partials on the way down. So we have as mentioned this high and this low, which is a range, and we want to short above a 50%, right? So I got my ICT template which can show me a lot of things in here if I bring it all in here, right? But it looks like kind of a mess when everything is in there and you don't see anything, right? So basically that's advantage of the ICT template. You can hide it all and you can bring only things you want, right? So what I'm going to do right now, I will put my cursor here on this top and I will press F like a Fib, and you can see it plot this Fibo from this high to this low, right? So what I can see in here right now is this 50% level. So above that, if I'm trading above that, I'm actually shorting in the premium level, right? Here we got 62%, right? So it's a level where I want to trade. Right now I will use a shortcut Q which will place this in here, which we had coded on here. And what is actually this level? What is this level? Look at this closely, right? And basically by using the ICT methodology, we can use we can use a why it always okay, because I got this right now, it will stay in here, right? So here we have the last down candle prior to taking out liquidity. Which liquidity? It was a Thursday high. So if we bring a PD, this previous days, right? So you can see this previous days highs was taken and price start to drop, right? So what is this? What is this? This is a breaker, right? So we got now two things in the confluence. We are above 50%, we are around 62%, we got a breaker. Then what if we break the Asian session high and low? You can see these lines. I'm not sure if you are seeing it. So we get this session high, session low in here, right? So you can see how the price was moving in the Asia. Then it dropped a little bit lower, and then we have run above it, right? We have run above this high, so which is what? The external liquidity in the premium. And then we can see a drop lower, right, with the FVG, right, fair value gap, right? So then the price can drop lower. If we bring a fair value gaps, we will see a fair value gaps in here as well, right? So that's possible what to use as well. Then we got as well, what's the rule? If you bearish, you need to sell above daily open, right? True daily open level, above it, right? So you want to sell above it. I didn't catch it in the correct time, but still I think this short is quite good, right? So yeah, basically this is it as well. I am using a COT plus retail positions, which was shared in my weekly outlook, which you can check as well, right? And what I'm planning to do, I have already closed some partial profits, but I think that we will go this level and even lower, right? You see where is my TP for the long-term trades, and I think we are going there, right? So yeah, that was my analysis. Here you can see my account, which you can actually copy. There is already 11 people copying me just for the $49 per month, right? And you can see I have already closed a few positions in here you know, to secure the profit, the positions which I have opened today, right, and close them in few hours, right, in less than actually few hours, and still got one position, one short here running. All right, my friends, have a great trading week. Bye bye.